Alpha brainwave activation. This image is for illustration purposes only. The Edison Wave is a digital downloadable product. What you will find inside: 11-minute sound wave that activates alpha brainwaves. The fastest type of brainwave, oscillating between 8 and 12 Hz, and are associated with high-level cognitive functions. You are backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. Your investment today is covered by a 365-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you change your mind for any reason over the next 3 months, just email our friendly team for a full refund without questions asked. For product support, please contact the seller here. For order support, please contact ClickBank here. Statements on this website have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using our products. The website's content and the product for sale is based upon the author's opinion and is provided solely on an as-is and as-available basis. You should do your own research and confirm the information with other sources when searching for information regarding health issues, and always review the information carefully with your professional healthcare provider before using any of the protocols presented on this website and/or in the product sold here. Neither ClickBank nor the author are engaged in rendering medical or similar professional services or advice via this website or in the product, and the information provided is not intended to replace medical advice offered by a physician or other licensed healthcare provider. You should not construe ClickBank's sale of this product as an endorsement by ClickBank of the views expressed herein, or any warranty or guarantee of any strategy, recommendation, treatment, action, or application of advice made by the author of the product. ClickBank is the retailer of this product. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of ClickSales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue Suite 410 Boise, Idaho 83709 USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of this product or any claim, statement or opinion used in promotion of this product. Testimonials, case studies, and examples found on this page are results that have been forwarded to us by users of Manifest and Interact products, and related products are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Privacy policy. Terms of service.